Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a channel in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you will be needing to do is to simply access to your working space, and from there you will be needing to start creating your channel. So the first thing you would find here is the sidebar or the side menu. So from here you will be able to find all your channels and your DMs from the direct messages, of course. Now, as you can see, the first thing that we can find in this channel or from this menu, which is add channel. As you guessed right, adding channel means creating new ones. And from here, you can create new messages. You can click from here so you can have more other options, but we are interested in creating channels. So as you can see, either you can start browsing channels or create a new one. So let's just start the process of creating a new one. And now, as you can see, either you can start like having a blank channel, which means wouldn't have like any canvas, wouldn't have anything, or you can simply start choosing from templates, and basically they are like more advanced or more customized channels. So if you want like to choose from a template, you can simply click on next and you will have it added, and of course you can change the name afterward. Let's just start with the blank channel. So let's just click on next. Now we want like to add the name for channel. So let's just name it tutorial or tutor or whatever. And from here you will need just to choose the visibility. Either it will be public, that means anyone from this working space would be able to access to it, or it will be private. That means you will need just to add specific people to it and then click on create. So let's just make it public for now. And I'm going to click on create. Now you can start like inviting people to it, or they can simply search for the channel in the searching bar, and from there they will be able to access to it easily. Now everyone will be able to start communicating inside the channel, and you can start add all these stuff. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.